Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to this Microsoft Virtual Academy online course. And today we're going to take a look at the Microsoft Hybrid Cloud. And we're going to take a quick introduction into that cloud and some of the things that you need to consider when you're thinking about using clouds with your environment today. My name is Matt Hester. I'm a Senior IT Pro Evangelist with Microsoft. You can reach me on my blog at aka.ms/Matt Hester. So what are we going to look at in this particular presentation? We're going to talk about what does it mean to be a hybrid cloud environment. And why is it important? And why now do we look at this? And what are some of the components that are a part of the hybrid cloud? And chances are, folks, you probably already have some of these components deployed in your environments today. And then we'll end with a brief demonstration of some of the great things that we can do inside the actual cloud technologies. So what do we think about? What is a hybrid cloud? Well, really, the cloud represents a huge paradigm shift for us in IT. And really, it's not that big of a difference when you think about it, but it really changes our mindset. I know we're used to having all those servers on premise. We're used to be able to see the lights as they blink. We're used to be able to plug things in and out of our networks, repair hard drives, what they have, and we have all that control. But really, cloud computing has not only changed how we think about IT, it's also gotten us out of that mindset that maybe my servers for a particular type of workload don't need to be on premise. Now, we're not saying that everything has to be moved to the cloud, and that's why we call it a hybrid cloud. It's where you kind of, in a sense, have changed your IT where you kind of have a foot on both sides, and you have the best of both worlds, where you have your on-premise data center and you can leverage resources in the cloud, and maybe leverage resources like storage or networking components or for disaster recovery. Imagine what if you could tell your closest IT friend, hey, I have a branch data center that's 400,000 square foot facility and over 100,000 physical servers. Well, essentially, when you use Windows Azure, that's just one of our many data centers that we have around the world. And we have several mega data centers around the world to help service those needs in really scalable workloads. And we've been doing this business for a while, and I know Brad Anderson on his blogs has really talked a lot about the size and the maturity that we have inside of our data centers. But really, a hybrid cloud essentially is an ability for you to bridge from your on-premise data center to a